Hi, Ninong. Hi, Ninang. We love you and we wish you could come and visit us. Acha!
Hi, Mare, Pare. Congratulations. And sana makabisita kayo dito sa amin. We miss you.
Maring Tessa, Paring Eric, congratulations. Sana ay magtuloy-tuloy ang inyong asenso at sana ay huwag nyo kaming kakalimutan pag mayaman na kayo. Dahil ngayon, mayaman na talaga kayo. Mas lalo nyo kami nalalahanin pag mayaman na kayo. At sabi nga ni aking minamahal na asawa, pagka kayo'y nag-decide na pumunta rito, magsabi lang kayo at nakahanda na ang isang kwarto para sa inyo. Again, congratulations from the Dihita family, and we hope to see you soon. Merry Christmas in advance. Congratulations again. Count. 1, 2, 3.
Hi. Go.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hi, Ninang and Ninang. I wish you could come here. That's it. That's an electric fan. That would like to stop him.
Okay, again. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, Ninong Tessa.
Hi, Ninong Ninang.
Dali na, say hi, Ninong. Dali, there.
Hi, Nina.
Hi, Ninong.
Hi, Nino.
Okay.
Hi, Pikoy.
Hi, Koi.
Okay,
No,
say hi.
P.
Hi,
Koy.
Koi. Hi,
Okay.
Koi.
Ate Stern. Hi, Mare. Pare.
Wait!
Rocky, come here.
Congratulations.
What? Congratulations.
Pasensya na, hindi na kami nakapunta ka.
Hi. Congratulations. We're thinking of
Nakakuha
that.
ko, Mare.
Wait, let me see that. Wait.
Oh, Papa Stern.
Hi, Ninong Ginang. Hi, Mare, Pare. Pasensya na at kami nakapantulog lang. Actually, pantulog namin to. Congratulations ulit. At sana kayo ipagpalain dahil kayo mga mababait na tao. Sana kayo ipagpalain ng ating mahal na Diyos. Bigyan kayo ng marami pang mga biyaya para kayo ay tuluyang makatulong sa mga nangangailangan katulad namin, nangangailangan kami. Okay, congratulations again, and I hope that you have many more fruitful years to come. And,
Happy Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Yeah, congratulations.
Happy Merry Christmas. Ninong and Ninan, I love you and I wish you could come visit us. What?
Again, take 4.
Stand up, Rocky. Yes.
Come on, they can see you.
Okay, Rocky. People will freak out on you.
Ready, sit.
Okay.
Ready, get it, go.